Hello everyone, today I've got the NC Honda here and I'm going to change the mufflers. I'm going to put on the GPR muffler, which is in the white ceramic. And just before I do that, I'll record the audio of the standard muffler and then we'll compare it to the GPR muffler. So let's do that now. Okay, here we go. Here's the new GPR exhaust. This is a ceramic white version. It's not spray painted or any enamel paint or anything like that. It's actually ceramic and it's coated and baked in an oven. So it's really, really hard, and that's what we're going to put on to here next. So what we need is some 12mm sockets and a spanner, and then we're going to remove the standard muffler and then put on the GPR muffler. So let's start work with that. Okay, so we're just going to undo the clamp that holds the muffler to the exhaust pipe. So we'll just loosen that off. It's a 12mm. That's loose now, bolts out. The clamp can just stay there for the second. And then here again it's 12mm. There we go. Can probably do it by hand. That's excellent. Yeah, these things aren't that tight, so it's not too hard to get off at all. There we go. Spring washer, nut, flat washer, and then basically this, just take the weight off this. And this will just pull out, and you can see it moving here, so I'm just going to twist it and jiggle it a little bit. This will just come right off. Here it is. Bang. There it is. It's off already. So the new one is a little bit trickier. I need to get some longer bolt. This one here isn't long enough to be able to clamp it securely, so I'm just going to get that fixed there and then we'll come back. Okay, here we go. We're just going to put on the muffler. So I've got the clamp here and I've got the other clamp ready to go. So just a matter of slipping on the GPR muffler. That just goes straight on very easily. This is the only tricky part, so you have to just make sure the muffler is facing the right direction. You can use it as a reference. There's the stand here that's got to be parallel with the ground. So if that's parallel with the ground, means the muffler's in the right place, which it is. Okay, and then this slips on the other side here like this. So far so good. We have the bolt that goes in. Put that into the stainless steel clamp. This is the only major tricky part because you have to try and hold the clamp and at the same time put a bolt and nut on it. So let's see if I can do that easily with one hand. Okay, just a nut to go. Sorry, my arm's in the way there. There we are. I think actually the nut isn't on correctly. I'll try that again. There we go. And just check the position again. Make sure that this is in the right place. Okay, here we go. give it a wiggle to make sure it's positioned okay. Looks like it's good. Yep, that's perfect. Okay, just continue on tightening. Okay, so that's that section. Now we'll just go around to this side and we're just going to do this clamp up here. Let's tighten that up. This is the last part to do, and the GPR muffler's on. Looks good in the ceramic white with the red, I think. It looks very smart. I quite like it. There we go, it's on. What's the next step? Start it up and listen to the sound. Well, there's the sound with the GPR muffler fitted. I think it looks really nice and it sounds really good as well. As I said in my previous video, I took it off because I suspected my fuel economy was slightly down using this muffler, but in actual fact it was my riding style. That was the issue. And I get a little bit more performance using this muffler as well, and it's lighter as well. So all around, I think it's an excellent muffler to have. So have a look. It's an Italian maker, GPR, and I highly recommend this for your NC. Thank you for watching.